Hello students, I hope you are good, well and fine. Today we will be continuing our lecture on mensuration, and in this lecture we will be discussing exercises. Okay, so let's see how the questions are going to frame. Let's move to our first question of our exercise. So let's see the question. Question says the area of shaded portion. So we have to find out the area of the shaded portion. So if you try to see that the figure is just like this. So this is our one rectangular piece. There is another rectangular piece. And if you see, the length is of 5. And here the length of this rectangular is 7 and the width is the same. Here is also 1 meter and here it is also 1 meter. So we know the area of a rectangle. Area for a rectangle is equals to length times breadth. So for this rectangle, what is its area? So area is equals to 5 times 1. 5 times 1, which is 5 meter square. And for this area for this rectangular piece is equals to 7 times 1, which is 7 times 1, which is 7 meter square. And the total area, or the area of the shaded portion, is equals to the sum of this, which is 12 meter square. I hope this is clear to you. So 12 meter square is my correct answer. Now let's move. Now the length of 4 sides and a diagonal of the given quadrilateral are identical in the diagram if A denotes the area of quadrilateral, then A is. So we have to find out the area of the whole quadrilateral. Okay. Now if you see that my quadrilateral is divided into 2 triangles. First is this one, second is this one. And by using Heron's formula, I can easily find out the area of first triangle and area of the second triangle. Okay, so just apply Heron's formula and you will get your answer. So let's see, because the both of the triangles have side 7, 5, 6 and 7, 5, 6. That means whatever the area for the triangle 1 is equals to the area for the triangle 2. So the area for triangle 1 is equals to area for triangle 2. So the total area will equals to, so total area is equals to area for triangle 1 plus area for triangle 2, which is, and we know that the triangle 1 area is equals to the triangle 2 area, which is equals to 2 times area of the triangle 1, or it can be even area 2 times the area of triangle 2. So let's find out the triangle 1 area. So sides are 7, 5, 6. 7, 5, 6. Now my Heron's formula is for area is equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A is equals to 7, B is equals to 5, C is equals to 6, and S is equals to the sum of these sides divided by 2, which is equals to 7 plus 5, 12, and plus 6 is 18 divided by 2, which is 9. So 9 minus 7, which is equals to 2. 9 minus 5, which is equals to 4. And 9 minus 6, which is equals to 3. Okay. Now just solve it. which is equals to 9 can be written as 3 times 3. 4 can be written as 2 times 2, and 3 is there. So here's my one pair, here's my another pair. So my final answer would be 3 times 2 root 6, which is equals to 6 root 6. Okay. So I hope the triangle one area is equals to 6 root 6. 6 root 6. Now 2 times 6 root 6 is equals to 12 root 6. So my answer is 12 root 6 centimeter square. So the area for the quadrilateral or the value of A is equals to 12 root 6. Okay. So this option is correct. Okay. Now let's move to next. So this question it says that in the sides of a triangle are double, okay, then its area. So we have to find out that if we have a triangle with side A, B and C, and it is having area equal to A, which is we know by Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. Now if the sides of a triangle are doubled, so new triangle is when the sides get doubled. So my triangle would look like bigger in size like this because sides are now doubled. So here 2A, 2B and 2C. Now the area for this is, so this is my old area. So area, I'm just writing old area like this, area old. Now area for the new triangle is area is equals to area new, which is equals to the semi-perimeter for this triangle. The semi-perimeter for this triangle is equals to 2A plus 2B plus 2C divided by 2, which is further equals to A plus B plus C. And for previous, here S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle this. So the semi-perimeter for triangle this is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. And if you see the relationship, that it is my S dash, the new semi-perimeter for this triangle is A plus B plus C, and which is equals to 2 times S. S is my previous semi-perimeter. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now my formula will look like the new semi-perimeter times new semi-perimeter minus the side. Side is 2A, the side is 2B, and S times side 2C. Okay, this is clear, I hope. Now putting S prime equal to 2S, I'll get, so now putting the value of S prime, I'm just putting here. So what I will get? I will get 2S here, 2S here and 2S here. Okay. Now taking 2 common from this term and this term, I will get, so I'm taking 2 out. So after taking 2 out, what I will be left over with? This. Okay. S minus B, S minus C. I hope this is clear. And here is 2S, and because 2 is out, then 2 times 2 times 2. I have this. Now 2S can be rewritten as 2 times S, which is, I can rearrange the term. So I'm just writing 2 here. Now I have 2 pairs of 2 cross 2. So 2 1 2 from this term and another 2 from this term can be taken out from the root. So it is, I can rewrite whole thing as like this. So it is equals to 2 times 2, which can be equals to 4. So if you see this, what it is equals to, this is the same area of the old triangle. So this is equals to 4 times area of the old triangle. So my new area for the new triangle is equals to the 4 times the old triangle area. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now from this we can say, if my triangle sides having like 6, 7, 8, okay, suppose these are my sides, say let me take another, so 3 and 4 and 5, okay, this is my triangle. Okay, now if I double my sides, this is 10, 6 and 8, then my area will get 4 times the old area. So whatever the area for this triangle is, say A, so from this area I can easily say that the 4 times A is equals to the area for this triangle. I hope the whole concept or the question is clear to you. Okay, so let's move. So the area becomes 4 times. Okay, so option D is correct. Okay, I hope it is very clear to you. Now let's move to next problem. Now in this problem, a triangular garden, okay, is given to us. A triangular, let us make a rough diagram so that you can easily visualize the question and solve it. So inside a triangular garden, there is a flower bed in the form of similar triangle. So here's my garden, here's flower bed with similar triangle. Similar triangle means the triangle is looks like the bigger one but smaller in size. Okay, now around the flower bed runs a uniform path. Here is path, this is my path. Okay, uniform path of such width that the side of the garden are double of the corresponding sides of flower bed. This means if this side is my A, then this is my 2A. If this is my B, this will be my 2B. If this is my C, this will be my 2C. So in a such way that the side of the garden are double. Okay, so garden size are double of the corresponding side of the flower bed. I hope this is clear. Now we have to find out the area of the path. So how we are going to find out the area of the path? Sorry, the main question is to find out the area of the path and the flower bed ratio. So first we need to find out the area of the path, and then we have to find out the second, the flower bed area, for the flower bed. Okay, then just we have to whatever the answer for this we put, and the whatever the answer of this we just divide, and we will get our ratios. I hope this is clear. So in the previous question, if you connect this question from the previous question, okay, the previous question, you will see if we have a triangle of side A, B, C, and we have another triangle of side having twice of the previous triangles, which is, that means 2A, 2B, 2C, then if area for this triangle is A, then the new area for this triangle will be my 4 times A, which is equals to 4A. Okay, it is clear? Yes. So the area for this green triangle, let's say it is A, area for flower bed is equals to A. Okay, then the area for the triangular garden, area for triangular garden is equals to 4A. Okay, from the previous question. Easy. Now the area for the path is equals to area for the path equals to area by bigger triangle minus area by smaller triangle. I hope this is clear. Okay, so my bigger triangle was in red and the smaller triangle was in green, and after say the area is this whole and the area for this is this, and if I subtract the area from the bigger to the minus, what I will be left with? I will be left with the area for the path. Okay, now the area was 4A for the bigger one and the A for smaller one, which is equals to 3A. I hope this is equals. So my area for the path is 3A and the for the garden is 4A. Okay, now what we want? We want the ratio of area of the path. Area of the path is 4A, and for the flower bed and the area for the flower bed we took is equals to A. So let's take 4A by A, which is equals to the area for the path is 3A. 3A by A, which is equals to 3, because both A will cancel out each other. So 3 by 1, which is of ratio 3 ratio 1. So our answer is 3 ratio 1. Okay, so the option D is the correct option. Now let's move to next question. So in this question, we are given with a triangle ABC, which is an equilateral, triangle, the length of whose sides is 10 centimeters. So my triangle, this is my ABC. I hope this is clear. Now there is another triangle DBC. So here this point is D. So this triangle DBC is my another triangle which is of right angle at D. So there is 90-degree angle here, and BD is this length is of 8 centimeters. So we have to find out the area for the shaded region. So area for the shaded region is equals to area for the shaded region is equals to area of equilateral triangle minus area of triangle say BDC, which is of our right angle triangle. I hope this is clear. So the area for the equilateral triangle is equals to we already know it is root 3 4A square. Okay, I hope you remember, or you can just use Heron's formula. So let's use Heron's formula if you do not remember it. So sides So sides of the equilateral triangle, sides is equals to 10 centimeters. Okay. Yes. Now using Heron's formula, what is my S? S is sum of all sides divided by 2, which is of 15. So by using Heron's formula, it is 15, 15 minus 10, which is 5. So 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. And 15, I can rewrite it as 3 times 5. Now there are two pairs of 5. One is this, another is this. So I can take out 2 5s out from the root, and the remaining is this value. So what I'll be left with is equals to, so this is equals to 25 root 3. Okay, so if you remember the formula, which is of 3 root 4 times side square, which is 100, and we know 4 is 25, so 25 root 3. So either you remember the formula or the long way. So in these you must remember the formula, so because formula will ease your work. Okay, where this is the side. So let me write like this, the side square. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now my area for this is 25. Area for this whole equilateral triangle is 25 root 3. Now I have to find out the area for this right angle triangle BDC, and I know one side is hypotenuse is equals to 10 centimeter and the one side is 8 centimeter. So by using Pythagoras, by using Pythagoras, we know what we know is hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular or height square. Perpendicular or height square. We know hypotenuse is the opposite side of the right angle. Okay, so which is r 10, base we know, let's take base r 8. So it is equals to 8. Now perpendicular I am taking h. So h, now 100 minus 64 is equals to h square, which is further is 36. Okay, which is equals to h square. Now I know the if h is plus or minus 6, or let's take this is equals to plus minus 6, and we know height cannot be negative. So taking from here I have two possibilities, h can be plus 6, h can be minus 6. This is neglected, or sorry, the rejected. We prefer the term rejected because height cannot be negative. So taking this value as our height will get my answer for the area, because h is 6 and other two sides are 10 and 8. So using the Heron's formula, using Heron's formula, I have area is equals to, what is my S? S is equals to sum of all sides, which is this divided by 2, which is 8, the 10 plus 8 is 18 and plus 6 is 24 by 2, which is of 12. Now S is my 12, 12 minus 10, which is 2. So 2, 12 minus 8, which is 4, and 12 minus 6, which is 6. Okay, 6, which is equals to, now I can rewrite 12 as 6 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4 I break down 4 into 2 times 2. Now observe, I have, now there's 6 there. I have one pair of 6, two pair of 2. So I can remove the root, because none of the term will remain inside root. So this is this. So 6 come out from this, 2 from this, and 2 from this. This will equals to 24 centimeter square. So the green area is 24 centimeter, say 24 centimeter square. Okay, so this is 24 centimeter square. I hope this is clear. And using root 3 is equals to 1.732, you will get your answer. I hope I am just leaving here. I hope you can just do a small calculation to find out the area, and you will get the area of something like this. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move to the next problem. So here we have to find out the area of the triangle whose sides are 18, 24 and 30. So just apply the Heron's formula. So what will be our S? S is this. Okay, so just add. So 30 plus 24 is 54, and 54 plus 18 is equals to, so 54 plus 18 is equals to 60, the 72. 72, and 72 divided by 2 is just nothing, the 36. Okay, so S is my 36. Now using Heron's formula, area is 36. 36 minus 18. So 36 minus 18 is equals to what it equals to? It is 18. Now 36 minus 24 is equals to, it is equals to 36 minus 24 is 12. Okay, so 12, and 36 minus 30 is 6. Okay, let's make some pairs to get our calculation easy. So I can rewrite 36 as 6 times 6, and 18 as 6 times 3, and 12 as 4 times 3, and 6 remains like this, and rewriting again 4 as 2 times 2. So try to see that I have 2 pairs of 6. Okay, 1 pair of 3 and 1 pair of 2. So from this I can, so I have 2 pair of 6, that means 6, 1 pair of 3 and 1 pair of 2. So the final answer for the area is equals to 36 times 6. What it is equals to? It is 6 times 6 is 36, 6 times 3 is 18, and adding 3 to is 216 centimeter square. I hope the calculation for the area is clear to you. Now there is another question lying inside the question, is to find the length of the altitude with base, or the question is saying the corresponding to the smallest side of the triangle. That is, if we take base as 18, what will be our the altitude or the height? We know the another formula for the area. Area is equals to half times base. Base we are taking 18, or the smallest side is 18. 18 times the altitude or the height. Okay, and we know our area also, area is 216. So just evaluating or just solving for the height, we will get our height also. So let me do it. So just cross multiplication, 216 times 2 by 18 is equals to our height, and 9, and what is this 3 times 3, 3 is 72. Okay, now 3 is what it equals to? It is 2 and 4. So my height is 24 centimeter. Okay, so height is 24 centimeters. I hope this is all clear to you. So the area is 216 centimeter square, and the height is 24 centimeter. I hope all you understood very clearly, and thank you for this lecture. Okay, thank you.